Once upon a time, age of mid-40, a traveler went out for his regular destination. But somehow that day he lost his way and became puzzled. For this reason, he walked so many extra miles. He was frustrated, tired, and also thirsty. He found himself in a dry place. No any big tree for shade his body or could rest under a little time. So he is going and going for searching water. Maybe his all energy going to exhaust before he tried last time. Suddenly, he found a water pond and ran away with all energy towards there. Reach out that place and he bent down for raise his hand to drink water. Strange to see that hand sunk in the water, but the water did not come in hand. Suddenly, a spirit was appear in that place and introducing himself as a landlord and inform him no one can drink that water without his permission. Traveler was so scared, but his thirst was so extreme, he wanted to communicate with the spirit.
Sir, I need a little water, quench my thirst, if you permit.
The spirit replied,
Yes, of course. But how can you repay that?
Traveler searching his pocket offered his all money from wallet, but spirit reply was negative. Then traveler offered his hat, shoe and all clothes, but this time spirit reply remaining the same. Now traveler offered his life and say,
Take it before quench my thirst, because it is better to die than not drink water.
The spirit reply,
There is a few more things you can give me. Search your pocket once more.
Traveler searching once more and found a piece of dead dried fruit. Now spirit smile and tell him to give it. The piece of dead fruit jumped from the palm of the traveler hand and fell to the ground. As soon as the ground fell, the fruit began to be transformed into trees. The whole desert is transformed into forest. Suddenly there was a strong storm and sky broke into rain. The traveler raised his hands and thanked God and drank the water in his life.
Go.